my name. What's up, laddies? I'm Renard, and we're on
And I'm Freddie.
the Vonington. Don't worry, that's my brother.
Hello.
He just...
Sorry.
Anyway,
This is my brother's channel. I'm on TikTok.
so we're going to be doing...
Gay stuff.
No, we're not going to be... Anyway,
They
so...
lock me in the basement.
What the... I've never locked you
Don't
in the
lock me
basement.
in the basement. Please, please, please.
I just had to occur something.
Help me! He dropped me in the basement.
So we're doing a toy review today. So this toy, it's a Triceratops. Has a little laser mouth, if you can see that, and guns, and
Hello.
it's getting a little too long, so I'm gonna end it now.